Hello students of class 9. Today in this video I am going to explain about the tea industry of West Bengal. So tea is a plantation crops and it grows mainly in the estates of our northernmost districts of West Bengal, like in the Darjeeling sections, then in the Kuch Bihar, this is the portion of Kuch Bihar, this is Jalpaiguri, and this North Dinajpur section. So the total number of the tea gardens that are found in the northern sections of the North Bengal means in the total North Bengal region, the total number of the tea gardens that we found or that spread out in the districts of this Darjeeling, then Terai and towards region are 450. And the largest tea garden, that Shamshin Tea Estate, is present in this Darjeeling districts of West Bengal. The tea estates employ more than 25 lakh people who are dependent on this particular tea industry group, and the number of the regular worker in this industry about 3,50,000. The tree involves a large scale capital investment, large estate factories on the estates, employment of the large number of the employees, organizing the marketing facilities, etc. So this tea sector or this tea industry is one of the most flourishing industries that our West Bengal have. Next, let us see what are the causes for the development of this tea industry in the West Bengal. So the first point that is very much important for the development is the conducive climate. Conducive climate means that the climate that our West Bengal has got means the tea plantation requires a very cool type of climate, means it should neither be too hot or neither be too cold type of a climate. So the western section of our West Bengal provides that climate, or provides the ideal climate that is required for the cultivations of this tree, or for carrying out this particular tea plantations of the tree. Tea trees over tea bushes over this particular region. Okay. Next is that land for the plantation and the lease from the government. So the land for the plantations and the estates are larger and are obtained in the lease from the government in the easy terms. So this is another reasons for the development of the tea industry in West Bengal. Next, next point is facilities. So the plantations that are present in this northern sections of the West Bengal, they have the facilities of the processing of the tea through 6 principal operations like withering, rolling, fermenting, roasting, blending and breeding. Next point is that Siliguri auctions. The Siliguri Tea Auction Center was established in the year 1976 for the better marketing facility of the local tea products. Next point is easy availability of the labor. So a large number of the people, especially the female populations, are easily available in and around the Darjeeling districts for plucking and processing of the tea. The next point that you have is, so this tea is actually one of the popular beverages, and it is also very popular as a stimulant too. It therefore finds an easy and ready market in the domestic market in the eastern zones of the India. Next point is the port. So this Kolkata port facilitates the export of the tea, and you can see this is the nearest this Kolkata port. You can see in this map that are being drawn over here that Kolkata port is the nearest port to this tea estates. So whatever the export activity takes place, it takes place to this Kolkata port only. Next is the GI registration. GI registration, the full form of the GI is the geographical indication of the goods. So after the enactment of the geographical indication of goods registration and production of 1990-2013, Darjeeling tea, means this Darjeeling tea became the first Indian product to receive the GI tag through the Indian Patent Office. So all these are the causes for the development of this particular tea industry. Next, we are going to see what are the problems this industry is facing. So the first problem that the industry is facing is that the most of the tea estates in the West Bengal are located in the hills and the uplands of the northern portion and northern sections of our West Bengal. You all know this section is the mountainous region, and the Himalaya is also present in the northern sections of our West Bengal. So this region is not a flat plain, it is actually hills and it is a rolling upland. So dilapidated roads in this section poses a serious problem to this industry, means the roads cannot be easily developed in this particular region because of the terrain, and the land is too much slopy, so the landslides often occur in this particular region. So this poses a threat, or this poses a problem for the development of a proper or well developed transport network in this particular region. So first point, let us see the problems is many of the tea gardens that are present in this particular regions are quite old, and the machines that are used in the processing units are outdated and overworked. Next point is the lack of fund. So this lack of the fund is another vital point for this industry, and the labor suffers from the low wage problem also. Next is the lack of quality control. So this lack of quality control seems to be one of the problems of the marketing tea. Substandard tea are mixed with the Darjeeling tea and are marketed. Next is that most of the promotion activities that takes place are for the large estates, but the small growers remain totally unsupported. So the promotional activities are not available, or this promotional activities are not being given to this small growers or the tea estates. Next is the climatic factors. So because of the global climatic change, so the climatic factors like rainfall, temperature, humidity, etc. sometimes adversely affect the tea growth, and supply of the leaves for the processing unit is also hampered. Next is the long gestation period. So the production of the tea is seasonal in nature, and it almost takes 5 to 10 years for a bush to grow fully unless the old bushes are replaced for the productivity. So the productivity gets stagnant. Next point is that the production of the tea is seasonal in nature and it's heavy over a half of the year, whereas the production is scanty over the other half. It raises the cost of the production. And the last point is the Kolkata port siltation. So here is located the Kolkata port. The Kolkata port is suffering from over siltation. So the import of the machineries and the export of the tea through this Kolkata port is getting hampered. So this is all about the tea industry of West Bengal. So these are actually the causes for why the development of the tea industry took place, and these are the problems that the industry is currently facing. So thank you everyone.